Recent research from Stanford University has uncovered some mind-blowing stuff about how men's and women's brains are wired differently, giving us a peek into the fascinating world of cognitive disparities between the sexes. While folks have been debating forever whether men and women think and act differently, this study dives right into the thick of it, unveiling some pretty cool insights into how our brains work. The study challenges the idea that it's just our surroundings shaping how guys and gals operate upstairs. Researchers found that when it comes to brain activity in key spots like the default mode network, the limbic system, and the striatum, men and women dance to their own beat. The default mode network, responsible for letting us daydream and dig up old memories, twinkles differently in the brains of men and women. And the limbic system, the brain's feelings HQ and memory manager, also seems to light up differently depending on whether you're a guy or a gal. And don't even get me started on the striatum, the brain's reward center, which seems to have its own party going on based on your gender. These findings hint at how these brain quirks might shape everything from how we see ourselves to how we get along with others and reminisce about the good old days. But hold on to your hats, folks, because we're just scratching the surface here. Researchers are itching to dig deeper into how these brain differences shape the way we think and act. They reckon that hormones kicking around during different stages of growing up might be pulling the strings behind these differences, showing just how complex our brains really are. In the past, scientists had a tough time spotting the differences in brain activity between guys and gals because our brains look pretty similar on the surface. But thanks to some fancy explainable AI tech, they were able to uncover some subtle distinctions that had been flying under the radar. By training this AI to spot the gender-specific patterns in brain scans, researchers were able to tell male and female brains apart with jaw-dropping accuracy. Other researchers, those brainy types, have some intriguing questions about where these differences come from. They reckon that the areas of the brain that most reliably set men and women apart are all about understanding other people, sparking a big old debate about whether these differences are in our biology or come from how society treats us. Their questions make us wonder about the tango between our biology and how we're raised, shaping how our brains grow and how we see the world. Now let's talk about why all this brain stuff matters. These findings aren't just for show. They could be the key to understanding and treating brain problems that affect guys and gals differently. Conditions like feeling blue, getting hooked on stuff, and struggling to read seem to hit men and women in different ways, showing how important it is to figure out how these brain differences play into it all. Armed with a better understanding, we might be able to come up with treatments that work better for everyone. Looking ahead, researchers are pumped to use AI to explore even bigger questions about how our brains work. By sharing their discoveries with the world, they're hoping to spark some curiosity in others, inspiring them to dive deep into the mystery of the human brain and how it's connected to gender. In the end, this study is a reminder that it's crucial to dig into the unique differences between men's and women's brains if we want to truly get how we think and act.